Today in this video I'm going to give you a review of a very nice perfume, very refreshing, very uplifting, very sweet and very great for summer perfume from Arabian Oud, which is called Bussma. This is the box, Bussma, and very nice presentation, black box with silver, this silver kind of embedded or embossed kind of effect over here, Bussma. So this is actually the bottle. This is the bottle, silver and black, and I'm going to show you how it actually smells and what actually the notes they have labeled over there. So whenever you try to see a perfume, sometimes when you look at the notes or what is included in it, that might not portray in the actual smell. So how it actually smells, I'm going to describe it in very simple way. If you ever have chewed a minty fresh bubblegum, not minty but fresh bubblegum that has some icy effect in your mouth and it is sweet and ice and cold, this is the effect of this perfume. I'm not sure what they have mixed. It has some balsamic or very cold effect. Even if I spray on my neck, I get very cold effect over here. It is not balmy or balsamic. It is fresh, very cold, very sweet. So I would call it a sweet, cool breeze, a very sweet, cool breeze in summer. So if you want to have a very cool breeze of in a very hot summer weather or in a sun, this is the perfume for you. And this is a perfume for men, but my wife really enjoys it. It really suits women also because it is very sweet, very refreshing, very sweet, and it is great for summers and hot weathers, humid weather. This is really going to smell great on a woman too. So if you are a woman and you like sweet scents or sweet perfumes, this is for you. This is really sweet, really refreshing. It is just some fresh bubble gum just pop or exploded in on your face. So this is really nice, really you can say refreshing, uplifting, sweet, very sweet. Sometimes for me it is my taste is not that sweet, so it is overly sweet for me, but for my wife it is not that sweet. She really likes it. So I'm going to tell you what are the notes they have listed on their website. They say that it is saffron, fresh bergamot, and then they have a musk at the base, then they have amber and flannel blossom. I'm not sure what the flannel blossom is, but this mixture you cannot get any excuse me, you cannot get any saffron, and you don't get any amber in it. I'm really surprised how they have used amber in it. I'm really allergic to amber. I don't like amber note, and it has amber. I'm not sure how they have used it or mixed it, but I don't detect any amber. For me it is really maybe bergamot, a little bit musk, clean musk, and very refreshing, very sweet kind of effect. For me it is more sweeter than honey perfumes or honey based perfumes. Very sweet, very nice. You can see over here almost I have used it a lot in this summer, and you can see I have used this much. I think it comes in 3.295 ml. It is almost 100 ml, and I really love the box, the packaging. I'm going to show the packaging in another clip over here in the start. Maybe you have seen it already. Really love the packaging. This is the bottle. If you live in a very humid, very summer, or where the summer is very hot, areas like India, Pakistan, Arab countries, you can really enjoy this one. This is really refreshing, sweet, and its longevity it is going to stay at least I think maybe more than a day on your clothes. So whenever I have put on my clothes or even on my skin, I get the whiffs of it after maybe 9 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours. On the skin, I think it is going to project almost 5 to 6 feet. People are really going to notice this perfume, and after some hours maybe it is reduced and it is close to your skin, maybe 1 feet away, maximum 6 inches or 1 feet away. But on clothes it is going to stay a lot of time, and it is really going to smell nice whenever you move around and you move your arms or things like that. You are really going to enjoy its smell. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have used it or liked it, thumbs up and press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. I haven't seen much reviews about this perfumes. This is really nice, really in a different direction, and it is great for summer weather. I will meet you in another video with another perfume or scent or perfume oil. Till then, take care and bye.